is all these buttons? Like, what's F9? What? That must be like, it must pop out like some lipstick or something out of. That must be like, it must pop out like some lipstick or something out of these holes. If I press a button. Let's see. No. I'll talk to my good friend Liz. I'll type, let me type something to my best friend. Hey, guess what? I got a job. She'll know exactly what. Oh my gosh. Is this thing on fire? What did I do? Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't break it. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, I must have broke it already. Let me ask her. Trouble with the boss. No, he's not here. Oh no. Oh, I hear that noise again. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh. Oh my goodness. What's going on? It's gotta be this laptop. Oh my god, where in the fuck is this smoke coming from? Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. This is my first day. Shit, no. Oh no. Oh my goodness, I'm in so much trouble. Oh, oh no. Fix my skirt before I sit down. There we go. Oh, ouch. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Oh, okay, back at my desk once again. Ooh, what's this? Little black bag. I wonder if I should pick it up. Good God. Okay, I'm gonna look inside now. Oh, what the heck? Oh. Oh my gosh. Man. I thought it was gonna be a gift. Oh, what's in? Oh. There's nothing in there. At least I don't see any. Well, that's definitely not a present. Well, I guess it's a present in some people's eyes.
Okay, drop the bag to the ground, just throw it down.
Okay, I'm done with that bag. There's no Birkin in it. Oh my goodness, I'm a little pig. What is, I noticed this before. This isn't attached. Oh my goodness, this isn't attached. No, okay. Danger, do not open. Pellet, who even fucking knows? Explosive? Oh my god. Explosive, huh? Oh my god! Okay, well it didn't explode in my beautiful face. It needs to. Oh, jeez. But there's something in there still. Oh! This job is dangerous. Oh my goodness. Explosive, all right. Oh, shit. Fuck. What kind of job is this? Oh my goodness. You know what? I've had enough of this fucking job. Out of here. He's got it. Hello? Check, check, check. 1, 2. Why isn't this working? Oh my gosh, I need this to. What the hell? Okay. What is that? Oh my gosh. Is it on fire? Oh my goodness. Let me try this again. Okay, smoke stop. I don't know why this thing is. Oh no. Ooh. That is not gonna be good. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Oh my god! Ow! What the hell? Okay. Oh my gosh. Again? Oh shit.
Swing your hair.